Hello, this is the German opinion with actual news to the PlayStation 4. Have you heard that there comes a PlayStation 4 maybe in 2013? That's great! That's great! And they showed us the new controller. It looks nearly like this controller here. This is PlayStation 3. Well, fucking shit. You can't see it because it's too fucking dark. Well, now you can see it. That's it. But the new PlayStation 4 controller has something like a touchpad boom on it. And the console should be better. It makes better graphics and so on. So, whoa! It will be fun. But I can't pay it. I guess. Well, so I will play on the old PlayStation 3. Well, that's the actual news from Germany. I hope it helped you a little bit. See you later.